All right, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are doing the Speed of Sound Lab. Here I have my mallet, I have my cylinder, I have my little glass cylinder inside. You have your meter stick. These right here are your tuning forks, right? Each one of these tuning forks are a different frequency. We're going to run one trial for each tuning fork, and then you will record the data in your data table. So the first one we are going to use is going to be the 256 hertz tuning fork. Again, that is 256 hertz tuning fork. So we're going to hit it with the rubber mallet. We're going to pull our glass cylinder rod in the center up until we actually hear a ringing noise. So for that, we received it to be 23 centimeters. So that is 0.23 meters. 23 centimeters, which is 0.23 meters. Again, that was our 256 hertz. We're now going to do it for 320 hertz. We received it to be 18.5 centimeters. 18.5 centimeters, so that is 0.185 meters. 0.185 meters for 320 hertz. We are now going to do it for our 341.3 hertz. 341.3 hertz. There we received it to be 14.52, which is in meters, that is 0.1452. 0.1452. We now are going to move on to our 426.6 hertz. 426.6 hertz. We received 11.9 centimeters, 11.9 centimeters, so that is 0.119 meters. 0.119 meters. We now are going to use our 480 hertz tuning fork. That's around 8.5 centimeters, 8.5 centimeters, so that is 0.85 meters, 0.085 meters, 0.085 meters. And last but not least, we're going to use our 512 hertz tuning fork. That is 7 centimeters, so that should be about 0.07 meters. 0.07 meters. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So you have now recorded your length. You now can go on to solve for the wavelength and your wave speed. Have a good day.